Hey my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Shurfine's Cajun chicken breasts, chicken thighs, along with bird's eye mixed vegetables, and got red skin baked potato. They were real small, so it looks a lot smaller than it was. There were like 3 tiny ones mixed up. So let's go ahead and try these first. I'm going to show you use the fork. Okay, baked potato. That's delicious. I'm going to try the mixed vegetables from Bird's Eye. Classic mixture of corn, carrots, peas, and green beans. Those are good. That's 10 out of 10 too. Let's try the Cajun chicken thigh from Shurfine. I cooked this in the air fryer. Got them nice and crisp. Yeah, it's delicious. I love the rub they put on, Cajun rub. Okay, another bite. Look how juicy that is. Alright, really good. That's 10 out of 10 right there. Hope you like this little video. Shurfine Cajun chicken thigh. What I want the mixed vegetables from Bird's Eye. Oh, I think these were $2.99 a pound. I think I got 4 of them. I can't remember how much 4 of them were. And the Bird's Eye, I might have got those for $1. I can't remember. And then red skin baked potatoes, or the baked red potatoes. So hope you like this video. Bye. Until next time, please. Camera Legion.